I thought I'd better just show this label on the back. It does say power on mode, A button plus home, B button plus home, or X button plus home for Android, iOS, and is that Xbox or something? Anyway, there's no X button, so I suspect somebody may have repaired this at some time. Back in focus. There we go. I tried home and A and home and B and home and the other A, and it made no difference. So, yeah, okay, well I thought I'd just add that. Well, I've no idea what MTK mode is or MTK phones are. But if I press the button, this version doesn't support activation mode on Android 11 and above. After updating to the new version, activate the activation mode. OK. And it tells us that we are on the latest version. Do what? I have absolutely no idea what that's telling me. Well, I'm going to cut this video short. I actually went on for about 20 minutes, half an hour fussing around trying to get this working. But I have absolutely no idea what's going on. It may just be that my phone is incompatible. Probably the easiest option is to give it to my grandson and see if it works on his phone. There's a fair chance he may understand it anyway. So I think that's plan A. We'll give him it and see what he can do with it. All the stuff you can see on the screen is just me fussing around with it, so I'm doing a voiceover instead. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.